Today, we'll show you how to extract a new field from your data using the regular expression method. Let's jump right in. There are 3 different ways to get to the Field Extractor. First, navigate to Settings, select Fields, then Field Extractions, then in the upper right-hand corner, open Field Extractor. Alternatively, we can also run a search and then click Extract New Fields from the bottom of the Fields sidebar. The last method of getting to the Field Extractor is to find an event that has a field value we want to extract, and from the Event Actions menu, select Extract Fields. This option takes us directly to the Select Method page within the Field Extractor, with the correct source type and sample event already chosen. Select the regular expression method, and then Next. To begin, we'll highlight the value of the field we want to extract. We'll use the Require option only if we want extraction for specific text. In this example, we'll provide a field name for the extraction and click Add Extraction. If the regex does not match on all data, we can select more sample events to refine the extraction. Or there is a way to modify the regex manually. Continue to the next step to validate the extraction by checking for any erroneously matched values for the extracted field. If needed, click the X to remove this value. This will update the regex to not match on these sorts of values. When ready, click Next, verify the extraction name, permissions, the regular expression, and select Finish. To validate the new field extraction, we return home and run the search index is equal to security, source type is equal to Linux Secure. We will find the port field is now being extracted from our data and is available on the field sidebar.